Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaners. Me, Sophie and Matthew, the dream team, excited as normal. Right, we're in Gorefield, which is a 9-minute drive to get there, to be precise, to a village, and we've got 13 cleans. Here we are at the first house. I do all the tops at the front. Matthew's doing all the top windows around the back. And Sophie's starting at the front, with the front door, as hopefully you can see. All the lowers, and then she works her way around to the back. But if I'm quick enough, sometimes I'm helping Matthew around the back so she doesn't need to. Saves having to drag the trolley around there. Clean number 4. This one's got leaded windows, so you'll see in the footage that we've got an orange coloured brush, which is our flocked brush. It's a 26cm rectangle brush from X-Line, flocked, and it's got a rinse bar in the middle. Well, that's 3 done in this cul-de-sac here. 2 bungalows, 1 house. One of them's a new customer. It's a mother of a customer of mine in the village that I live in. So we introduced ourselves there. Nice lady. So that's these 3 done. I've forgotten what's left to do. Is that 6? So we just got 1 more to do. Next cul-de-sac along. That's us now home for lunch, although it's a late lunch. It's about 10 to 1. 2 cleans left now for the day. We've finished everything in Gorefield. I didn't get much footage on the last 3 cleans for you, but they're all done. And one of them we quoted in for the next time we're there to do all the solar panels and the greenhouse roof. So that's all booked in. So Sophie's now going to fill up the van. We'll have our lunch and then we'll get the next 2 cleans out of the way. The next clean's going to be in the village. It's a big house, so that's a good one for us to do. And then we've got a small one to end the day in the next village down from us, about 5 minutes away. So it should be an early finish for today for once. So see how we get on. Right, that's clean number 12 done. We're on the last clean of the day now. One left to do and the time is 2:30. Last clean of the day done. Bungalow with a conservatory finished 3 o'clock, so for us that's good. Obviously remember we would have had 2 more cleans today, but one skipped and one obviously is moved to later on next week. Anyway, that's us done for a day in the life of a window cleaner for this week. Keep watching for other videos. Bye for now.